I'm Forrest Saunders, standing outside the state capitol here in Tallahassee. Florida's Attorney General James Uthmeier says city council members down in Fort Myers are, quote, breaking the law. That is because the city council recently voted down an immigration agreement between ICE and the local police department down there. And the question is, what happens next? Uthmeier says potentially removal.
Madam Clerk, roll call vote, please.
Monday night, Fort Myers City Council rejected a 287G agreement between police and federal immigration officials, a deal that would have bolstered officer training, allowing them to help with detainment and deportation.
Motion fails 3-3.
That split vote came after several members, through tears, felt the change could lead to racial profiling and hurt more than help.
I can't stand behind this as an immigrant, the only immigrant sitting in this council.
It's a decision that may soon have dire consequences. So says Florida's Attorney General James Uthmeier.
By preventing law enforcement from doing that, they are breaking the law.
The state's top cop sending this letter to the council saying the move violates Florida's ban on sanctuary city policies. Without a reversal, Uthmeier warns, penalties are coming.
What kind of penalties could they face? Because it looked like it was civil, it could be criminal.
Yeah, I mean, there are civil penalties certainly laid out there. The governor has suspension powers, so he's proven he's not one to sit on his hands too long. If they're standing in the way and they're preventing law enforcement from participating, he typically will take people out of that position and get somebody in that's willing to do their job. So we're looking at all options. Again, we put them on notice, but we're not going to wait long. If they don't immediately correct their problem, we will take action.
What is the timeline there? What is immediate to you?
Stay tuned.
Republicans across the state have since pushed for that ouster by the governor. In an online statement, DeSantis didn't affirm it was coming, only that, quote, Florida will ensure its laws are followed. That's as Uthmeier says other cities should take note.
This is a warning to not just them, but any other potentially city official that would not agree to one of these 287.
Sure, absolutely. I mean, this is the first case that's kind of reared its head, but if other municipalities decide they don't want to take our legislation seriously, they don't want to combat illegal immigration, we'll be going after them too.
Since January, Democrats have denounced Florida's GOP supermajority for pushing so hard on state immigration policy. Many have said major reform is needed on the federal level instead.
What the Attorney General and the Governor are doing is creating a state of fear.
Juan Cuba going further. The DNC member and head of Miami-Dade's Hispanic caucus calls the immigration agreements voluntary for local police, noting state code only specifically requires them for sheriffs and correctional officers. Cuba worries they'll erode trust in law enforcement, strain resources, and thinks requiring approval is unconstitutional state overreach.
If the governor wants to make these agreements mandated, go through the legislature. And I would encourage our city commissioners to not cower in fear and challenge these threats in court.
If it should come to a courtroom, the Attorney General says he's ready.
I believe if a city is going to take such action to prevent law enforcement from participating in these programs, that in and of itself is impeding the ability of law enforcement to work with the federal government. So I think if they're not approving these 287G participations, there is a presumption of illegality based on the very robust immigration legislation that was passed in special session just weeks ago.
Nobody is quite sure what will happen next, but I will say on Friday, the City Council will be meeting again to reconsider that ICE agreement, potentially adopting it. And if that happens, this might all go away. That's the latest out here at the state capitol. I'm Forrest Saunders reporting.